There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
When we were having them take all of the prize photos, we should have also, we didn't think of this in time, but we should have also gotten Elle or someone else to record the tube sound.
I always love that tube
that
sound.
Tally always used to do on stream.
I mean,
a lot of times there are
probably got a tube
funnier
here
than a lot of one thing somewhere. Yep.
Such a good like, boom. So, like, boom.
Pong. That was the sound essentially.
Yeah.
You know, I might have a poster tube in my room. If you guys really need to hear a pong.
I mean, if you want to take a peek around for one, sure, why not?
I feel like it really
have that classic desert bus sound.
Yeah.
All right.
If you can find.
Wait! Joe's already got us covered. Look at this.
Oh, Joe!
I think you were muted.
I think you were muted.
Oh
no, we talked over it because there's a delay.
Oh,
there's a delay. We talked over it
again.
All right.
Okay, one more time.
Yeah, please.
Ah.
Yeah.
Boop.
Boom.
Oh, that's good.
That was wonderful. Thank you, Joe.
That's the ASMR we want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.